Yeah. Hi Madhumita.
Hi.
Welcome to SMC.
Thank you.
Tell us more about your startup.
So I should welcome all because being a part of, I'm from IIT Kharagpur and I run a company which is IPXL into research and consulting. And being a alumni association and secretary of IIT Kharagpur, so we have organized this SMC, which is a platform only for entrepreneurs and innovators. So, of course, I believe this is a very promising platform where every entrepreneur can leverage not only funds, access to funds, but of course, network, one-on-one with the VCs, connects, and also a lot of learning labs. We are having a lots of workshops.
So tell us more about IPXL, how it is helping startups.
Yeah. IPXL, what we do is we are into innovation consulting, new product development. So when we say there's an idea of a person, then definitely we help in building that idea. And that idea should be innovative. So that is where we come in as, as an innovation consultant, and kind of we support them to get to idea, to a product, to market. So that is how we are.
Okay, so you do product consulting plus help them in protecting their IPs,
Yes,
right?
whatever intellectual property or IP is generated from whatever innovative product is there, we help them in protecting that also.
Okay, guys.
Can you also suggest the people, those who are innovators or youngsters or new startups, how they can diversify or they can get into various field of industry? It's not just an IT industry, but
Yes.
rather diversified industry.
Yeah.
So can you please explain more on that?
Sure. Basically, what I feel India has no option other than going in manufacturing. So, the colleges like from ground level, like from engineering itself, we should be inculcating that attitude that we have to build something, innovate something, just not copying or just not making a business idea which is run in US and it's like just copying that. So I believe that India has only option getting into manufacturing. That is what the option is. So we should get into a product nation, lead to a product nation. That is
So IPXL actually leads
Yes,
people.
yes.
It guides people who are in startups and basically consults them what kind of product they should build.
Just to give you an example, we are like one of my client is here presenting the Steam Indus, the guys going on moon. So we are kind of helping them in this consulting. So that's on aerospace. So that is what we want, that the innovators or the inventors, thinkers, they should think in this direction, that they should build something rather than just copying or kind of. No, this is open for, this SMC platform is open for all innovators, entrepreneurs. That is how it is open. And the success of this time, what SMC has achieved is a tie-up with government. That is the ITBT ministry here, Karnataka, and also the central government. So that is where we'll kind of collaborate and try to increase innovation in the country. Yeah.
Do you have any other program like something like ADP, that is entrepreneurship development program or something like that, or those who are very much interested or enthusiastic,
Yeah.
so that they can get into the program?
Yes, we are basically formulating a program like that so that we make this platform SMC as a real platform where people can get mentored and all. Of course, we are in that version. We've started.
So what she's saying that anybody and everybody can reach out to her and IPXL will consult them in creating a product idea and then protect the IP also.
Yeah.
Thanks Madhumita for
Thank
being
you.
here.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Hope it was good.